How to save TikTok video to gallery without posting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open TikTok, click on arrow like option at the bottom. Then you'll find arrow at the top, which is facing right. Simply click on it. After you click on the arrow, which is facing right side, you'll find save with watermark option. Simply click on Save with Watermark. After you save it with watermark, your video will be saved in your gallery but with watermark. To simply do it without watermark, click on the same arrow, click on Post to Save. After it's posted, simply click on the video, then click on three dots. After you click on three dots, click on Save. Then again click on three dots. After that, scroll to the left and click on Delete. Again click on Delete. The video will be deleted from the post and you will find video saved without watermark. And this is how to save TikTok video to gallery without posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.